Kisses.
Okay,
Kisses.
there we go. Oh, good shake, Cassie.
Kisses.
Yeah, oh, give kisses, Cassie. You gonna give kisses, Cassie? What are you doing? Cassie's sniffing. Oh, kisses. Oh, kisses, Cassie. Good kisses. You give kisses. Yeah, give kisses. Oh, she's giving me some kisses.
Oh.
Can give Phoebe kisses, Cassie?
Phoebe, you want to get kissed?
Oh, why don't you use your hand and she can kiss your hand?
Let her kiss your hand. Put your hand out for her to kiss.
Steak.
There you go.
Kisses, Cass.
Kisses. She got a
Kiss,
kiss.
kiss. Oh, she missed it. You missed it, Cass. You missed your chance. Oh, there we go. There you go. You want kisses, Cassie? She's going to give you kisses.
You want to give a hug, Phoebe?
Oh, yeah. You can give her a hug right now if you want. Yeah. Maybe Cassie will get down. Cassie went, okay? Cassie, where you going? Oh. Here's the fun part. Cassie's like, all right, I'm out.
It's on.
What you doing? What are you doing, Cassie? Cassie. Oh, she's checking out your toys now. She's good at this game.
Oh, she's going upstairs.
You were sniffing around, huh? Oh, Cassie likes water too. She's sniffing all the water spots.
This is
Cassie, where'd you go? Hey, girl. Serious, Cassie. She's very worried, Doug. Very dealt with it. So I'm so glad this is all going to be on video too. This is great. Uh-oh, Cassie wants some water. Should we give the Poochie some water?
Yeah.
Just a little bit? Yeah. Yeah? Are you pro water? Watch out for that tail.
She's not anti.
Back up.
This might be a little too exciting.
So how does Elmo dance? Will you show me? You show us? Oh, there we go.
Grab his hand, Phoebe.
Oh, Cassie, easy, Cass. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy, that dog is.
Jesus Christmas. Hey, Phoebe, maybe you should leave the doggy alone and go play with Elmo for a second, just while she's drinking.
Let the doggy drink, okay?
Doggy drink.
Doggy art. You like the doggy art?
The doggy arms.